In the 1960s, timeshare was launched as a solution to travel problems. In the decades that followed, the industry descended into hyper-aggressive sales practices, which resulted in a raft of laws being enacted. The majority of resorts chose to ignore those laws. Claims experts have been successfully suing rogue timeshare companies since 2016, to the point where the major offenders are no longer able to operate. New member timeshare sales have slowed down to a drip. Where do thousands of high-pressure timeshare salespeople go when their livelihoods evaporate? A number of them moved on to selling holiday park units. Holiday products are an emotive sale, and timeshare salespeople know how to sell holidays. With timeshare, it became illegal to take a deposit on the day as a safeguard against people making rash decisions. With holiday park sales, no such law exists. Timeshares can be bought for upwards of £10,000. Holiday park units are sold for many times that figure. More potential loss for a buyer, more commission for the salesman. Holiday park annual costs are also proportionately higher than timeshare fees. Timeshare companies were notorious for milking their customers after the sale. But compared to modern holiday parks, they were amateurs. After the UK holiday park industry began to gain a reputation for customer exploitation, multiple petitions failed to persuade the government to ramp up legal protection for consumers, thereby generally necessitating the help of claims professionals in order to achieve justice. Professionals like ECC.